So first of all, I would like to say thank you for everybody that's watched the videos, and also thank you for subscribing to the channel. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have a opening of the silver play button. I've had this channel since 2006. I started it with my family and my kids. We post all sorts of videos for fun, and after 15 years we finally reached this milestone, 100,000 subscribers. So we made a video, my nephew and I, and it was a motorcycle tire plug flat repair video. And the video ended up going viral. Currently it has 333 million views. And from this video, we've picked up a great amount of subscribers, which actually brought us to this award. So what we want to do today, in case you've never opened one, is we want to open it. And I have never opened one. So like I said, we've got Cyrus here, which filmed the original viral video. And I've also got my other nephew with us. His name is Rain. He's 5 years old, and he's got a video on our channel, the 5-year-old mechanic. He also works on motorcycles. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna invite Rain in, and he's gonna say a word, and he's gonna end up cutting the tape, and we'll open this up and see what's inside. So come on over, Rain.
Thanks for subscribing to the channel, Don.
He's gonna cut this tape. See if you can get this one just a little more.
My hands are slipping.
Okay, thank you, Rain. Now it looks great. So guys, 15 years, I've always dreamed of this award. And now let's see what's in the box. So we'll see. All right. Looks like we've got a little protective wrapping in here. Looks like we've got a couple things. Says, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. If your award was damaged during shipping, or if you have any questions, contact us at the Society Awards. Looks like they give you a small paper here. It says, YouTube, some 100,000 subscribers. Just how far have you come? If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's far. And that's why today we're so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you've also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievement. Congratulations on this amazing milestone. It's one of many that we hope will follow in the future. After all, there are countless others out there who have yet to discover your passion and dedication. Whether they come to your channel to learn something new or just for a laugh, a whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them, just as your growing community continues to inspire you. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we'll be with you every step of the way. Yours sincerely, Susan Wojcicki, CEO of YouTube. That's awesome, you guys. And without all the viewers and without all the subscribers, this channel wouldn't have this award. So again, I want to thank each and every one of you for watching all the videos. We really do appreciate it. Now let's see what this award looks like. There it is. Presented to Fast Flow 1 for passing 100,000 subscribers. YouTube. Let's pull it out of this box. So I think what we're going to do in most of all of our future videos, maybe not all, but we're going to have some fun with this, and we're going to try to put this up maybe in the background. I know it's out here in the shop. Maybe a lot of people do this on the kitchen table, but I do most of the stuff out on this bench right here and make most of our videos, including the tire plug video, out in the shop. So I think what we'll do is we'll make a frame for this, and we will just keep it out here maybe in the garage. There it is. Pretty nice. So maybe in the future we'll be posting this in the back, and if you recognize it, that's awesome. If you have subscribed already, you can always hit the notification bell if you hadn't for future videos and get alerts. And if you want to subscribe, go ahead and make sure to hit the notification bell. That way you will get all the notifications for new videos. So this will conclude the video on the 100,000 subscriber award. Thank you very much for watching all the videos on the channel. We really appreciate you. See you on the next video.